Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, I would be discussing a bearish trade I initiated on the Nifty index on June 1st and closed on June 12th. On June 1st, 2020, I took this trade. Sell one lot of Nifty August future at 9902, buy one lot of Nifty December 9000 call at 1380. Nifty was near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the drop from 12430.50 to 7511.10, and I thought the level would provide some resistance, as earlier on one occasion Nifty did face some resistance at the said level and retraced to 8800 levels. The margin required for this trade was about rupees 30,000 and the capital required was about rupees 1.15 lakh. The most I could lose on this trade is long call options strike price plus premium paid for the long call minus futures purchase price multiplied by lot size, which comes to about rupees 35,850. Also, I would realize this loss only if I hold the 9,000 call option till expiry, that is, till December 31st, 2020. Late in the day, I sold one lot of 4th June expiry 9,000 put option at 6. The idea was to sell weekly options at or above the strike price of the bought call option to finance it and thereby reduce the initial cost. The sold option did not have any effect on the margin required, as I guess the broker perceived it as a caller options trade. So the trade now looked like this. Sell one lot of Nifty August future at 9902, buy one lot of Nifty December 9000 call at 1380, sell one lot of Nifty 4th June 9000 put at 6. Let's look at the initial risk graph. It is evident that any significant downside movement any time before the expiry would result in a profit, and the maximum profit that can be achieved is about rupees 23,000, right at the strike price of the sold put option. But if Nifty drifts below 9,000, we might have to take some loss in this setup. The better approach would be to sell the weekly options a strike or two strikes below the bought call strike price. That is, in our case, rather than selling a 9,000 strike price put, selling a 8800 or 8900 strike price put would have removed the entire downside risk. On June 4th, 2020, I bought to close the 4th June 9000 strike price put at 0.05 and sold to open the 25th June 9000 strike price put at 37. So the trade now looked like this. Sell one lot of Nifty August future at 9902, buy one lot of Nifty December 9000 call at 1380, sell one lot of Nifty 25th June 9000 put at 37. Finally, on June 12th, about 10 days into the trade, Nifty moved in my direction and dropped to 9500 9600 levels. But somehow I felt the down move would not last long, as all the global indices were recovering swiftly from overnight lows. So I decided to lock in the profits by rolling back the December 9000 call to 18th June 8700 call. But it was not available to trade at that time. So I used the 25th June 9000 call option instead. So basically I sold to close the December 9000 strike price call at 1180 and bought to open the 25th June 9000 strike price call at 722 at about 9:22 am. But a few moments later, I noticed a notification that the 18th June 8700 call option is now available to trade. So I sold to close the 25th June 9000 strike price call at 750 and bought to open the 18th June 8700 call at 1000 at about 9:45 am. So the trade now looked like this. Sell one lot of Nifty August future at 9902, buy one lot of Nifty 18th June 8700 call at 1000, sell one lot of Nifty 25th June 9000 put at 37. This move locked in a profit of about rupees 1500 and removed all the risk. By moving from the longer term call to the shorter term much deeper in the money call, I assured that there is no time value left in the call option. So with only intrinsic value left, the price movement of the option would track the underlying point for point. That is, if Nifty moves up, the future would lose value, but the loss would be compensated by the call option, as it would gain value and vice versa. Some of you might be thinking why I did not close the entire trade. The answer is the sold 25th June 9000 put option was trading higher because of the fall in Nifty and an increase in the India VIX. So if I closed it now, I would not make much profit on the trade. So I decided to wait until the 18th. But to my and everyone's surprise, Nifty made a swift comeback. So my target was reached and finally I closed the trade in the afternoon at about 2:08 pm like this. Bought to close the August futures at 99.82, sold to close the 18th June 8700 call at 1180 and bought to close the 25th 9000 put at 33, thereby making a profit of rupees 2209.65 on the entire trade. If I had not made the move of rolling back the December 9000 call to the near term 18th June 8700 call, I would still be holding the trade with all the profits evaporated. I thought it would take a week or so for the index to recover, but it took a mere 5 hours. So quick action is the key here. Now let's look at the final P&L statement of the trade. The total profit made is rupees 2209.65. This is after all commissions and brokerage charges. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.